In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 most valued chopper motorcycle models for men over 45. These bikes deliver the head-turning looks you've always wanted without the backaches you can't afford anymore. From affordable entries to premium rides, we're focusing on choppers that combine that classic stretched-out style with features that actually make sense for your body after decades in the saddle. Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. Most people fell in love with this bike the moment they saw candy fire red and ebony paint catching the sunlight. When you twist the throttle, that 903cc V-twin responds with a satisfying punch of torque right where you actually use it in the real world, down low at 3,500 RPM. Kawasaki really thought about riders' backs and knees. That 27-inch seat height means no more balancing act at red lights, and those forward controls with pulled back bars create a riding position that still feels good after a couple of hours in the saddle. The Kevlar belt drive is our favorite feature, as there are no more greasy chains to adjust every few hundred miles. At $9,500 new with excellent 45-mile-per-hour fuel economy and low insurance costs, the Vulcan 900 offers the most affordable entry into authentic chopper styling. It holds its value remarkably well, often selling for 75 to 80% of its original price, even after several years of ownership. Yamaha Striker. Coming in at number 9 on our list, the Yamaha Striker is a factory chopper that looks custom but rides like a dream. The 1,304cc V-twin engine pumps out a solid 60 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM, delivering power right where you need it for everyday riding. What makes the Striker perfect for riders over 45 is its balance. You get those head-turning chopper looks without the backaches and maintenance nightmares of a true custom. The riding position is surprisingly comfortable, with pulled-back handlebars and forward controls creating a laid-back stance that's easy on your shoulders and back. Yamaha's bulletproof engineering means owners typically go 50,000 plus miles with just regular fluid changes, saving thousands in maintenance costs. Honda Fury. The Honda Fury, sitting at number 8, still makes us double take whenever we see one. It's the least Honda-like Honda ever made, and we mean that as a huge compliment. Those stretched dimensions and that radical profile don't look like they came from the same company that makes the Accord. The 32-degree rake and 71-inch wheelbase give it proportions that custom builders charge a fortune to create. Honda pulled off a neat trick here. They built in that big twin pulse at idle that we all love, but engineered out the hand-numbing vibration that used to come with it. The 26.7-inch seat height is just right for our age group, and those 1.77-inch forks with 5.1 inches of travel are the unsung heroes here. At $11,499, you're getting what looks like a $30,000 custom build, but with Honda's bulletproof reliability. The fuel-injected 1,312cc V-twin delivers around 46 miles per gallon, making the Fury as friendly to your wallet as it is eye-catching. Triumph Bonneville Bobber. Coming in at number 7 is the Triumph Bonneville Bobber, a bike that proves the British know a thing or two about building choppers with attitude. This isn't just another cruiser, it's a masterclass in blending vintage bobber style with modern engineering. The heart of this beauty is Triumph's 1,200cc high torque, parallel twin with a 270-degree firing interval. This engine layout is genius for riders over 45. You get that satisfying rumble and character of a V-twin, but with the smoothness and reliability that comes from modern engineering. The torque asset clutch means your left hand won't be crying uncle in city traffic. Let's talk about what makes the bike special, that floating solo seat. It's not just for looks, it's actually adjustable, letting you customize your riding position based on your height and riding style. At a low 27.1 inches off the ground, it's accessible for riders of all sizes. What really sets this bike apart is how it blends raw bobber style with practical features. You get switchable riding modes, road and rain, modern ABS brakes, LED lighting all around, and even cruise control for those longer highway stretches. For 2025, the Stealth Edition in sapphire purple with silver purple accents takes the bike to another level. Starting at $14,795, it's not the cheapest bike on our list, but the build quality and attention to detail justify every penny. The Bobber's parallel twin engine means valve adjustments cost half what they do on a V-twin, saving hundreds every service interval. Triumph's 3-year unlimited mileage warranty beats industry standards, while the bike maintains among the highest resale values in its class. Victory Gunner. Sliding into our sixth spot is the Victory Gunner, a bike that has earned legendary status since Victory ceased production in 2017. If you're looking for a chopper with an attitude that stands apart from the crowd, the Gunner delivers in spades. The heart of this American beast is the Freedom 106 V-twin engine. At 1,731cc, this powerhouse pumps out 110 pound-feet of torque that hits sweet and strong. The overhead cam design gives it a unique character that's different from the typical pushrod V-twins on the road. The blacked-out styling is where the Gunner really shines. Matte paint, murdered-out engine case, and subdued pipes create a cohesive look that's aggressive without trying too hard. That fat front tire paired with crop fenders gives the Gunner that classic bobber stance, but with a modern flair. What makes this bike perfect for experienced riders is the surprisingly comfortable ergonomics. The solo seat is minimalist but still offers decent padding where it counts. At 675 pounds, you'd expect the Gunner to feel unwieldy, but the low center of gravity makes it surprisingly nimble in corners. The suspension is where the Gunner truly separates itself from other choppers. Despite having only 3 inches of rear suspension travel, it somehow soaks up road imperfections that would punish your spine on lesser bikes. For guys who've endured miles of teeth-chattering rides, this is a game changer. At around $13,000 when new, these bikes offer incredible value on the used market today. For riders who want to stand out from the Harley crowd without sacrificing quality or performance, the Gunner hits the bullseye. Originally selling for around $13,000 new, well-maintained Gunners still fetch $11,000 to $12,000 today, making them practically free to own after accounting for inflation. This overhead cam design means longer valve adjustment intervals, saving you $400 to $600 per service compared to pushrod engines. Victory Vegas 8-Ball. Coming in at number 5 is the Victory Vegas 8-Ball, a bike that's become something of a legend since Victory stopped making motorcycles. If you spot one of these black beauties on the road, you're looking at a piece of American motorcycle history that's only getting more valuable with time. When you fire up that 106 cubic inch Freedom V-twin, you feel it in your chest before you even hear it. That engine pumps out 110 pound-feet of torque that makes real-world riding a breeze. What really sets this bike apart is how Victory blacked out everything. This isn't just a bike with some black paint slapped on it. The blacked out engine, frame, and exhaust give it a custom look without having to spend thousands at a custom shop. The all-black everything look is what grabbed me first. Victory didn't just spray some black paint on it and call it a day. The whole bike, from the engine to the frame to the pipes, was designed as one cohesive dark package. It looks like something Batman would ride on his day off. Unlike most motorcycles that depreciate, the Vegas 8-Ball has actually appreciated in value since Victory ceased production in 2017. The factory blackout package saves you $2,000 to $3,000 compared to adding similar customizations to other bikes. Harley-Davidson Street Bob. Number 4 on our list is the Harley-Davidson Street Bob, a bike that sometimes proves less is really more. This is the sleeper hit of Harley's lineup, stripped down, blacked out, and packing a serious punch. The star of this show is the Milwaukee 8 114 V-twin engine. In plain English, that's 1,868cc pushing out 119 pound-feet of torque at just 3,000 RPM and 94 horsepower. What does that mean on the road? It means this thing pulls like a freight train from the moment you twist the throttle. The Street Bob's appearance is exactly what a chopper should be, minimalist and mean. Everything is blacked out, from the engine to the frame to the 19-inch front and 16-inch Annihilator cast aluminum wheels. The Mini Ape handlebars aren't just for looks though. They put you in the perfect position to throw this bike into corners with surprising agility. For riders over 45, comfort matters, and this bike delivers where it counts. The low 25.8-inch seat height means your feet are planted firmly at stops. The dual-bending valve 1.93-inch front fork paired with the hidden rear mono shock does a solid job soaking up road imperfections. For riders who want their chopper with a side of adrenaline, the Street Bob delivers in spades. Starting at $5,000 to $7,000 cheaper than similarly powered Harleys, yet packing the same Milwaukee 8 114 engine, Street Bob delivers maximum power per dollar. Its minimalist design means lower insurance premiums and fewer components to maintain or replace over time. Indian Scout Bobber. Coming in at number 3 is the Indian Scout Bobber, a bike that brings old school cool into the modern age. The 2025 model comes equipped with a 1,250cc liquid-cooled V-twin that kicks out 105 horsepower and 82 pound-feet of torque. What makes this engine special isn't just the numbers, but how smoothly it delivers power. The 60-degree V-twin has a nice, smooth character that won't rattle your fillings loose on long rides. Look at those blacked out 16-inch wheels front and back. They're not just for show. The smaller diameter wheel lowers the bike's profile, giving it that classic bobber stance that looks like it's ready to pounce. What makes the bike so appealing for experienced riders is the riding position. That low 25.6-inch seat height means almost anyone can flatfoot this bike at stoplights. The 1.61-inch telescopic front forks provide a generous 4.7 inches of travel, unusual for a bobber and exactly what you want when hitting unexpected potholes. The liquid-cooled engine saves you approximately $2,000 in maintenance costs over the first 50,000 miles, compared to air-cooled alternatives. Indian's comprehensive 5-year extended warranty option and excellent 45 to 50 miles per gallon fuel economy make this a financially smart choice for the long haul. Harley-Davidson Fatboy. Rolling into the number 2 spot is the legendary Harley-Davidson Fatboy, a bike that's been turning heads since it first appeared in Terminator 2 back in the day. The 2025 model takes everything that made this bike an icon and cranks it up a notch. Let's start with what catches your eye first, those massive Lakester wheels. At 18 inches, those solid disc wheels aren't just for looks. They create a visual weight that anchors the bike to the road. Wrapped in chunky rubber and paired with cutback fenders, they give the Fatboy a stance that screams authority. For 2025, Harley upgraded to the Milwaukee 8 117 custom V-twin engine. This beast rumbles with 117 cubic inches of American muscle, delivering serious low-end torque that makes highway cruising effortless. You don't have to be a gearhead to appreciate how this engine pulls. Just twist the throttle and feel that smile spread across your face. For riders over 45, Harley nailed the balance between style and comfort. The updated monoshock rear suspension soaks up road imperfections without sacrificing that planted feel during more spirited riding. The adjustable brake lever lets you dial in the perfect reach for maximum control. The Fatboy's heritage is unmistakable, but it's not stuck in the past. Modern features like cruise control make those highway stretches between twisty roads much more enjoyable for riders who've logged enough miles to appreciate such comforts. Starting at around $21,000, the Fatboy isn't the cheapest option, but there's a reason these bikes hold their value so well. Few motorcycles command the same respect on the road or deliver such a perfect blend of chopper styling with real-world usability. The Fatboy's iconic status and Terminator fame make it practically depreciation-proof, often retaining 80 to 85% of its value after years of ownership. Its massive aftermarket support means customization is easy and affordable, with parts readily available worldwide. Harley-Davidson Breakout. Taking the crown at number 1 on our list is the Harley-Davidson Breakout, the ultimate factory chopper that perfectly captures what men over 45 value most in a motorcycle. This bike isn't just a nod to chopper tradition, it's a masterclass in blending old-school attitude with modern engineering. Let's talk about what first catches your eye. That insane 9.45 inches rear tire paired with a 21-inch front wheel. The combination creates that classic chopper stance that turns heads at every stoplight. The 34-degree rake gives the Breakout that stretched-out profile straight from the custom chopper playbook. The 2025 model comes powered by the Milwaukee 8 117 custom engine, a beast that pumps out serious torque whenever you need it. Starting around $21,000, the Breakout sits at the premium end of the market. But for riders who value authentic chopper styling combined with real-world usability, it's worth every penny. This is the bike for guys who grew up dreaming of custom choppers but needed something they can actually ride every day without a mechanic on speed dial. At $21,000, you're getting a factory chopper with custom shop looks that would cost $35,000 plus to build yourself. The Breakout's factory warranty and dealer network support make it a financially sound choice that keeps its resale value better than almost any other production motorcycle. These 10 chopper motorcycles all offer something special for riders over 45. The right bike isn't about having the most chrome or the longest front end. It's about finding the one that makes you want to ride more often, even when your body tries to talk you out of it. Which of these choppers caught your eye? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this rundown of stylish yet comfortable bikes for mature riders, hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more content coming that proves you don't have to sacrifice comfort for style and that your best riding years can still be ahead of you.